30 minutes. De Chilio. It's terrific from Ronaldo and De Chilio into Matuidi. Dybala took a tumble play on. Ronaldo!
Yeah, boxes a lovely flick over the top to find Ronaldo there. Catches it ever so well on the volley there. They just quicken the tempo of their play at Juventus. They go low, down quickly to his left-hand side. Really strong left hand to palm that around the post.
To deny Ronaldo.
Can't believe he hasn't scored there, but this could be the end of soon.
Do battle. It's terrific work rate to win that back. As we've all seen Red in his embryonic Juventus career. I'm sure he did much wrong there. Also from this man Ronaldo, even more impressive given he clearly wasn't right. The vitriol towards him. Despite all of the pressing, they still have the ball, Juventus, but then Zaza's going to get in and win it. Do they have the quality then when they win the ball? Not on that occasion, and Ronaldo will lead the charge for Juventus.
He tries to flick that on and keep it in play, and Aina just picks the...
And Salde again. Zaza, just for a moment there, I thought was going to get something more on that. I think it's a corner. Worked it nicely here to Cristiano Ronaldo. Matuidi and Mandzukic in the middle. Dybala and Pjanic combined.
He's just got half a yard there to get a shot away. Good scramble.
It's due to snow tomorrow. And Mandzukic. He's up and down that far flank as well. Dybala, Ronaldo and Pjanic. All of a sudden the stadium falls silent though. It will be Ronaldo.
By his expression, he feels that one had half a chance. Clicking the top of the wall, because it's the back of Zaza.
Can they keep this intent?
With a service into the box to the likes of Zaza and Belotti.
They really like what they saw. Here's Matuidi. Ronaldo, lovely ball. Dybala, Matuidi. Danger.
Gets sliced open with that ball for Ronaldo. And I think just the flick off Nkulu.
Just Rinker closed down well by Emre Can. Ronaldo skips past one challenge.
After beating the first man, just as a little bit too much. Doesn't quite have that lucky boy, and then the shot after from Belotti is a decent one.
Here's Alexandra at the other end. Torino mustn't switch off. Blew up every minute or so. Here's Ronaldo. A chance for him. Lovely piece of skill. Alexandro, Matuidi peddling here. Anna up against Ronaldo. Corsian is a decent one. Mandzukic, Dybala.
Just stands up a really good cross. This is a brilliant pick out for Mandzukic. Nods it down to Dybala, and he just Mandzukic. Ronaldo here, lovely step over, drives to the Dybala there, but probably didn't do enough with the shot. Really, it's a good block, but he just scuffs the attempted shot.
That might cause a problem for Torino. Ronaldo skips beyond two challenges. You defenders never do though, do you?
Of course not.
Sandro's cross is deflected. And Mandzukic, well, he did just nudge over. It's
to the box. He's looking to make the header, yeah. Just a little nudge.
A hero for Torino. Normally,